Okay, we're going to look at the fundamental ideas behind probability, and hopefully when we finish this, you'll be better able to work with it. What is the probability of something happening? Well, it's always a fraction between 0 and 1. And the way you make the fraction is the number of total outcomes, all the possible things that can happen go in the bottom, and the number of favorable outcomes, the things you're looking for, go in the top. For example, look at this little group of marbles down here. If you had 5 marbles and 4 of them were blue, if you reached into a bag randomly and to select one, you'd have 4 chances in 5 of picking out a blue marble. And that probably makes sense to you. When you roll a dice, there's 6 numbers on it. You have 1 chance in 6 of, say, a number 1 coming up, or a 4. And all probability works like that. Now, there's some other notation and some other ideas that are really important. This idea here, when you have the probability of something happening, if you see a little prime here, or sometimes they put a little c, a complement, the probability of a prime means the probability of it not happening. And it always is 1 minus that. And now it comes up in so many questions in exams and things. They tell you that the probability of it raining is 30%. And all you do is go 1 minus 30% is 70%. And that's the probability of it not raining. If the chance of it raining is 30%, the probability of it not raining is 1 minus that. Now these symbols here, the probability of A intersection means the probability of 2 events happening together. But the probability of their union of these 2 events, that's this symbol here, means the probability of A or B. Now, you can clearly understand, or you can understand it a little bit better if I use this Venn diagram here. If the circle A represented the number of people that like apples, and this circle here where B is the number of, are the people that like bananas, and the people outside are the people that don't like either apples or bananas. So there's the situation. That 4 is where the people that like apples and bananas. That's the intersection. These are the people that like only apples. These are the people that like only bananas. Okay. Now we can make fractions here. So like the probability of the intersection is just 4, because there's the people that like both. Out of a total, you'd add everything up out of 25. That's the probability of the intersection. But the probability of the union is you add everything up. The 5, the 4, the 11, there are 20 people that like apples and bananas out of a total of 25. So the probability of the union would be the probability of 20 divided by the total, which should be 25 people. And it's the probability of A union B means the probability of A or B happening. Okay, I hope that helps. These symbols are really important, these ideas, and even seeing it in a Venn diagram, just understanding it, that's the fundamental thing. So hopefully that helped. I hope it helped. Okay.